Let me introduce myself. My name is Arya Lukmanul Hakim and I'm from UBSI Kaliaba. Today, I wanna share my opinion about the Indonesia vs Bahrain match in the World Cup qualifying. Honestly, this game got everyone talking. Not just because of the score, but because of the referee decision that let's say a bit sus. So, I'm gonna break this down. What happened, what I think about the match, and my honest take on the bias referee situation. Part 1. What happened? So, quick recap. Indonesia played Bahrain in World Cup qualifying round. The game was intense, Bahrain pushing hard, but Indonesia fought back like lions. It ended in 2-2 draw, but the big talk wasn't just the goal. It was those controversial calls from the ref. A lot of fans and even media said the referee seemed to favor Bahrain, especially with the extra time and some soft fault against Indonesia. Even international media like ESPN and VNA Express pointed out how worth some those decisions were. Part 2. My opinion. Now, here's my honest take. Indonesia played with real heart. The defense was solid, the teamwork was tight, and they saw they can go to with stronger teams. But bro, that ref bro, come on lah. Some of those calls were just straight up unfair. There were moments when Bahrain played field so easily and boom, whistle. The ref whistle. Meanwhile, Indonesia got tackled hard and the ref acted like nothing happened. Fuck. And that extra time, it felt way too long. It's like the ref was waiting the Bahrain to score. It's not just me being salty tons of fans worldwide saw it same way. So yeah, I think the referee bias ruined what could have been a clean win for Indonesia. But even with that, Indonesia still managed to get draw, and that says something about how much we've improved. Part 3. What it means for Indonesia. This game show that Indonesia no longer that easy opponent in Asia. We've grown with the mentality stronger. The tactics are smarter, and the player don't give up if we keep this energy, but finishing and discipline, we can absolutely make a deeper run in the qualifier. I just hope the Football Association, both EFC and FIFA, actually looked into the referee quality. Like, come on, fair play isn't just a slogan, bro. If ref keep making one-side calls, it kills the sport. Team like Indonesia deserve respect. So yeah, that's my take. Indonesia proved their worth, Bahrain got exposed, and the ref, well, let's just say he needs a new glass. But in the end, we move forward stronger, smarter, and louder. I'm proud how Indonesia played. Let me know what you guys think. Was it really biased or just bad luck? I don't know. Thanks for watching and Don't forget always support clean football Indonesia. Bye. Hello everyone. My name is Arya Lukmanul Hakim. And today I'm going to talk about adverb of frequency. These are words that tell us how often an action happens. Is you right? What is an adverb of frequency? An adverb of frequency basically answer the question how often. For example, I always wake up at 6 a.m. She always sometimes eats breakfast. Or they never watch TV at night. There are two types, definite and indefinite. Definite means the time is clear, like every day, once a week, twice a month. Indefinite means the time isn't exact, like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Sentence pattern. There are two patterns we usually use. First, with normal verb. Subject plus adverb plus verb. Example, I usually eat at 7 a.m. Second, with to be. Subject plus to be plus adverb. Example, he is always late. Frequency of table. Now, here's the frequency table. We can see how often each word means. Like, always means 100%, usually 90%, often 70%, sometimes 50%, rarely 20%, and never 0%. So I always do my homework means I do it all the time. But I rarely do my homework means maybe I'm lazy. Practice time. Let's go. Let's try some practice. Number 1. I go to school on Sunday. Of course, never. Number 2. She forget her homework. Maybe sometimes. Number 3. They are on time. Always. Maybe always. Example sentence. Here are more examples. I always brush my teeth. He often watches movie. We sometimes study together. They rarely eat junk food. She never drinks soda. Simple but usually for daily conversation. Frequency scale and summary. So from the most to least frequent, it goes always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Adverb of frequency tell how often something happens. We place them before the verb or after to be. They help us describe habits, routine in daily life. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for listening. I hope now you understand how to use adverb of frequency in your sentence.